make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or hello, what's up? If you're new here, my name is Brady Nicole with Chameleon Unleashed, and I'm here to do another hair or wig review video. A wig review video. I love doing them. This is a sponsored video, but as you know, I will let you know my honest opinion. If you like the wig that I'm wearing, I actually just did a video on this beautiful highlighted wig from Amazon, under $20. It should be up here somewhere if you're interested in that wig and seeing how it looks. Click up top and check it out. So, but today is gonna be different. It's gonna be so dope. So if you don't like colored hair, lighter tones, braids and highlights, then this is gonna be the review for you. Obviously, you already know what you're looking at based on the title, or if you've already read ahead, like my sister does with movies. She already knows what's gonna happen in the movie before we even get to watching it. This time, we're reviewing a brand called LNERATO. I'll put all of the information below in the description. They're great. I like the wig. I'm gonna show you guys the wig, talk about it first really quickly, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my head. My big old little head. Big old little head. Big old little head. Whatever, you guys get my point. So, the wig is, let me show you. First of all, if you're like an Amazon addict like I am, you already know that you're gonna get this little package. See this little packet come at your door, you're like, ooh, it's Christmas in August. So, inside of that pack came the wig. Now, mind you, I've already worn it, but it is 28 inches. Oh, it's still going. It's still going. It's still going. Bam. 28 inches of greatness. It is in the color 1B. It looks black on camera, but it is that kind of natural color, 1B. And so, you know, it is synthetic, but it is heat resistant. I haven't tested it out yet. I know this one was heat resistant, but I believe all of this company's wigs are heat resistant as well, but I haven't tried it out. But I have worn it because I had an interview earlier this week. Fingers crossed that I get the job. And so I wore it. And so I just want to show you guys, you'll see, you know, signs that I wore it based on the wig itself. Like, I kind of need to brush it a little bit, but it's still great. It's silky, has a great natural luster, so it doesn't look too shiny, synthetic, fake. It looks very, very good for a wig. Combs. Now, I know everybody doesn't like combs, but I love combs. This one does give you combs, honey. So you have two at the top. Let me go ahead and zoom in and show you guys. Move it forward here for you, and it has one at the bottom. So two at the top and one at the bottom. And if you don't like combs, you can always, you know, sew in a band if you're creative and can, you know, do all that kind of stuff. Or you can use these straps. Just like standard wigs comes with the straps. Also, it has a lace. So it's like a U-part lace here they put. Now, mind you, I've already worn this wig, so I've matched my makeup to the makeup that I use on the part here. So I use actually LA Girl Cosmetics, the color Chestnut, which is different than what I use typically for under my eyes, my highlights. I like to go darker because I just feel like it looks better whether I wear the wig with my makeup or made up face, or whether I wear it just natural. But so you will see it here. But one thing to know about this wig, it's not your standard lace part. It is double laced. So doing all of this was pointless because it didn't shine through. So what I had to do, flip it to the part, mind you, for an under $20 wig, this is a great part. Like, look at this. Now, I put my makeup on it, so that's why it's kind of matching my skin. I had to put it on top. So you won't be able to go underneath. Like, I know a lot of women like to blotch and let it just kind of seep through the top to make it more, you know, natural looking. Let the color just kind of shine through the part. It's double lace. So I don't know if you can see, but it's a very thick lace, so this was not working. So I had to go very tediously and use a small makeup brush is what I suggest, because that's what I did, and just go through and dab, 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 and create your part. Now, that's all that I did. This part already looked like this, so it already looked amazing. You may want to pluck some more because it is a little bit, I guess, more narrow here towards the front of the cap. So I'm going to pluck that later on, but for the purpose of just showing you guys out of the box what the wig looks like, I just left it alone, outside of me just doing enough to get through my video interview that I had earlier this week. So yeah, just use my same color makeup, use a little small makeup brush, and just I went straight down the line, and then I cleaned up around the sides where I got extra makeup, and it looks very natural. So that's 28 inches. You have 3 combs inside, 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom. You have this great part, and you have a natural luster. You have it in 1B. Not sure they have other colors. I think it's just black, but you know, we're finishing off the summer. We actually have Labor Day next weekend, and we're going into the fall winter, so this is a great wig to have. It's 28 inches long, and now let's just get right to it. Let me show you what it looks like on my head. So it's time for the reveal.
Why don't you tell me what you want? 'Cause baby, I can hide when you tell me what you need.
For watching my video. I love this hair. I would say get it, like, for your money, for $20, like, you can't beat it. Now I will tell you that there is some minimal shedding, a little bit more than minimal maybe. You can't really see it, but this is my brush, just cleaned it, but there's still some hairs here. Nothing too crazy, like you're not going to be shedding like a dog, but there is some shedding, and it does tangle, but it's 28 inches long of hair, so you're going to expect some tangling. But like I said, for a quick wig, for it to be $20, for it to get to you in 2 days U.S. delivery for Prime members on Amazon, you can't beat it. Honestly, like, I can't really say anything bad about it. So if you guys like this video, make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like glass, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like glass, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like glass, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like glass.